affection from artificial, dramatic nature people. Also, some people disturbed their thoughts and disappointed they give. In this society, and family criticisms and wits are running like Shiva Tandava Nritya. Satyam, this is true. Some innocent people are suffers like without iron cloths, నలిగిపోతున్నారు. Mind suffers, they face. How can behave? What they told, they did not obey their words. Words and actions differences between how can follow that people. Changes directly and indirectly behaviors. Okay, yes, this poem is that. To that Pralaya, Sivatandava. Next, prejudice has feeling of prejudice. Some people has sharp cuts, soft mind people. Okay, selfish people also can throw it. Nature like tiger panja on soft nature people, good people. Inner good and bad mood, that is psychology, mind, mentality, nature cannot show words the true nature of persons. Cannot estimate face to see and there anyone's character. Cannot face, we can see. Next, people cannot take care of others. Okay? But only they told they have more love, more affection. They did not give one paisa to eat